blessed with the pure water that descends from the highest peaks far away in the Tibetan Plateau. The Mekong Delta is one of the world's most fertile river territories and home to Vietnam's agricultural heartland. Farmers have been cultivating this land for thousands of years with methods that are still in use today. Over the years, though, the pressures of modern society have found their way even to this idyllic corner of the world, impacting the soil, air, and water. But not quite everywhere. Tucked away in the middle of the Mekong Delta, there's an area of more than 1,000 hectares of isolated land that's perfectly situated to grow some of the world's finest organic rice and meets the highest international standards for quality and hygiene. This is where Ecoba rice is grown. Typically in the Mekong Delta, there can be up to 2 to 3 rice crops per year. But Ecoba rice is grown only once per year from August to December. For the other months of the year, the land is used for shrimp farming. By rotating between rice and shrimp farming, the soil is enriched and able to rejuvenate. There's also less pressure on the water ecosystem, and farmers are better able to increase their incomes. This farming method not only produces better quality rice, but also cycles resources that promote ecological balance and enhances the region's biodiversity, which is better for the land and the people who depend on it. Ecoba rice farmers receive regular trainings as well as ongoing support to ensure that the highest organic certification standards are met throughout the growing process. And throughout the year, our experts conduct regular tests of the soil, water, and the rice itself for even the slightest detection of up to 500 different potential contaminants. All of this combined highlights the industry-leading environmental practices that help to sustain the natural resources needed to produce such high-quality, safe, non-GMO organic rice. It's no wonder, then, that Ecoba rice is certified organic by the European Union, the USDA, and the Japanese Agricultural Standard, 3 bodies that set the world's most rigorous import standards. The fields, the farmers, and the food they produce are all equal parts of a sustainable, health-focused ecosystem to produce the world's highest quality organic rice. Ecoba rice, as nature intended.